Good morning. This is meteorologist Marcia Krantz at the National Weather Service in Sullivan. There's a lot going on across Wisconsin today, with a high wind warning in effect for south half of the state and a winter storm warning in effect for portions of the northwest Wisconsin. There's also a winter weather advisory in effect and a wind advisory. All this is because of an intense low pressure system that is still intensifying over the center of Wisconsin today, and that is bringing really gusty west winds, sustained winds 30 to 40 miles per hour with gusts as high as 55 to 60 miles per hour in the south half of the state. The high wind warning in effect is something that we issue when we're expecting wind gusts to meet or exceed 58 miles per hour. This is significant because that is actually the same criteria we use to issue severe thunderstorm warnings. High wind events are relatively rare in southern Wisconsin. However, the last event was less than a month ago on February 19th. This caused plenty of damage across southern Wisconsin, including structural damage, tree damage, numerous power outages, and caused some semis to blow over. Today, high-profile vehicles will be most susceptible for rollovers on north-south roads. Peak wind gusts are expected to be 55 to 60 miles per hour across southern Wisconsin, with slightly lower winds up north. In northern Wisconsin, though, we are expecting heavy, wet snow to impact that area today and tonight. 8 to 13 inches are expected. North to northwest winds of 10 to 20 miles per hour with gusts of 30 miles per hour. This can create visibilities down to a quarter or half mile at times and hazardous travel. Check back frequently to the National Weather Service web pages, including weather.gov/mkx, for more updates today. Also, follow us on Twitter or Facebook.